This is already a freaking fail. This is rag. This is not him. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Only Jax, and welcome to today's video where we are kicking off spooky season. It is October 1st, but when you guys are seeing this, it's gonna be October 2nd. But happy spooky season. Time to kick off the best month. I love this month so much. To kick off this amazing month, we are going to be doing spooky makeup. We are not just stopping at makeup. We're doing the whole cosplay. And who I picked out, it is Jigsaw from the movies. I did not watch a lot of the movies because they're so gory and I'm squeamish, but let's just say I try to be as good as I can. Let's just get right into it. So I went to the store and I got me a little paint set. This is only $5, which is still a lot in my opinion because there was one bigger and it was $10. I'm gonna stop you right there. I'm on a budget, and we got this because I still don't know where my headband is. So we can do like cute jigsaw like this, you know, or we can do like just all in. We're gonna see as we go. I have a little sponge and we're just gonna dip it in. This month is just gonna be so much fun. I have so many things planned. I have so many outfits that I want to do, so many costumes that I really want to recreate. I mean, it's just so much fun. It's a great time. I'm already, this is great coverage. I covered my lips, so now I look so freaking weird. Like literally half of my face is white. Oh my god, I'm not gonna lie, this is actually gonna be my color by November because I get so pale during the freaking winter. It's bad. Wow, I am ghost white. This coverage is crazy. So now that I have my face done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add like black in my eye. I'm gonna go in with the same one because I don't want to use like my actual makeup products, but yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this is turning into me looking like a freaking panda. Like, bruh, how did the other person do it? This is already a freaking fail. I'm just gonna use my black eyeshadow. I'll be back. A lot better. Maybe not. Maybe not. In person, it's not that bad. Give it a chance, guys. Give it a chance. Give it a chance, guys. Give it, please, for me, give it a chance. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye, and then we're gonna see how it is. Whoa! I'm not gonna lie. I told you, trust the freaking process. And it looks pretty freaking good. Damn. Okay. I did that. It probably looks so bad and I'm just like blind. Because that's what happens with a lot of my makeup challenges. Now that I rewatched them, I'm like, low-key, I did not eat. But I'm gonna do like little lines. Let me do lines right now. Actually, not bad. So it's if it's not clear, we are definitely not doing the cute version. We are going full in, and these look like I just made whiskers on my freaking eye. Okay, I'm gonna do like little cheekbones. They're like a bit faint. My little cheekbone. Okay. Plus I'll get to like defined features. Because my face is a freaking balloon. Okay. And now we are gonna do the red swirl. I gotta pack this in. Pack it in. So I'm gonna do the red first, and then I'm gonna do the cheekbones, because I feel like now I don't have that much space to do the red line, the red swirl. Okay. Sorry, I like literally have to put all my focus on this, because
a few moments later.
I can't speak.
One eternity later.
While I'm doing this. Okay. And then his iconic red lip. I have a red lipped gloss. Let me see. Oh yeah. Oh my god, period. Oh my god, I freaking love this. Am I missing anything? Oh, and his thing. Yeah, I was about to get the bruh. Okay. Let's do this. Oh my god, it really does put everything together. Stop. I look so freaking cool. I did this. Okay, now I am going to do something to step it up for the cosplay, okay? Because we're not just stopping at makeup, okay? We're hitting all the stops. So give me a second. Okay, so you know what I'm gonna do? I bought a wig! We are going, this is not his exact one because he's kind of like right here, there's no hair, but this is the best we're gonna get. Damn! This is ragged. This is not him. Okay, now let me put on the outfit. Here is the reveal. This is the reveal of my first Halloween costume of this spooky season. I am Jigsaw. Am I eating? How do I look? Imagine me with a tricycle. Bro, I'm freaking hot. So much fun. Maybe this will be the one that I go with when I go trick-or-treating. Who knows? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down on what I should do next. And also while you're at it, I want you to post notifications because I am uploading twice a week. Who knows? Maybe even 3 times a week with this spooky season. Find out by hitting the notification bell. Alright? And yeah. Comment down on what you guys want to see next. Any scary games. Any costume ideas. Anything fall related. October related. Anything. Okay? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.